Shakira, the queen of Latin popserie. Early life. Full name, Shakira Isabel Mebarak Ripoll. Born, February 2nd, 1977. Birthplace, Barranquilla, Colombia. Parents, father, William Mebarak, Chadid, of Lebanese descent. Mother, Nidia Ripoll, of Colombian and Spanish descent. The name, Shakira comes from Arabic, meaning grateful or thankful. From a very young age, Shakira showed a deep love for music, poetry, and dance. She wrote her first song when she was only 4 years old and performed for her classmates at school. Early career, struggles, and beginnings. At just 13 years old, Shakira signed her first record deal with Sony Music Colombia. Her first 2 albums, Magia, 1990, and Peligro, 1993, didn't do very well commercially, but they gave her experience and exposure in the Colombian music scene. Even at that age, she wrote and composed her own songs, something very rare for young artists at the time. Rise to fame, Latin American stardom. In 1995, Shakira released Pies Descalzos, Bare Feet, which changed everything. The album became a huge success across Latin America, showing off her mix of pop, rock, and Arabic influences. Hit songs included Estoy Aquí, Ciega Sordomuda, Ojos Así. By the late 1990s, Shakira was already one of the most popular Latin artists in the world. Global breakthrough, English crossover. In 2001, Shakira released her first English-language album, Laundry Service. This album made her an international superstar. Biggest hits: Whenever, Wherever, Underneath Your Clothes. These songs topped charts all over the world and introduced her to millions of new fans. Dance, style, and signature moves. Shakira is famous for her unique voice, belly dancing, and hip movements, inspired by her Lebanese roots. Her 2006 song, Hips Don't Lie, became one of the most successful songs in music history and is still considered a global dance anthem. Achievements and awards. Over 400 million records sold worldwide, albums plus singles combined. Multiple Grammy Awards and Latin Grammy Awards. One of the most watched female artists on YouTube, named by Forbes as one of the most powerful women in music. Founded the Barefoot Foundation, Pies Descalzos Foundation, helping provide education to poor children in Colombia. Personal life. Shakira was in a long-term relationship with Spanish footballer Gerard Piqué, FC Barcelona. They have 2 sons, Milan and Sasha. The couple separated in 2022 after more than a decade together. Some of her most famous songs: 1. Hips Don't Lie 2, Whenever, Wherever 3, Waka Waka, This Time for Africa, FIFA 2010, World Cup Anthem 4, She-Wolf 5, Chantage, Feet, Maluma, 6, La Tortura, 7, Try Everything, from Disney's Zootopia, Legacy. Shakira proved that talent, authenticity, and persistence can break all language and cultural barriers. She remains one of the most influential female artists in the world, admired for her voice, creativity, and humanitarian